Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and download the Pinterest videos on your mobile. Well, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So you can't actually go ahead and download it from Pinterest itself, but you need to do it from a third-party online downloader. So let me just go ahead and demonstrate it to you real quick. But for that, I need to find a video real quick. So for example, I'm just gonna write video. All right. There you go. So as you can see, this is a beautiful video. And in order to go ahead and download it, all I'm going to do is simply go ahead and copy this link. And then I'm going to head straight into Safari and then simply go ahead and search for Pinterest video download, just like that. And once I do that, click on the first link, paste that URL and click on download. And as you can see, the download is going to go ahead and start shortly right over here. Now just click on download again. All right, and now that is going to be downloaded. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.